ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര ഭൂമി ജനജീവിത ഫലധാന്യ സമ്പന്ന ഭൂമി ഇത് ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര ഭൂമി മാനവർക്കു സമത നൽകിയ മവലി തൻ ഭൂമി മധുരമഹിത ലളിത കലകൾ വിരിയും മലർവാടി ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര ഭൂമി
In the rainy season, rubber tapping is done by rain gardening. So all the rubber trees are rain garden here. So under this is the rubber tap collection bottle. Like that it is given and the
ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര
the actual view of 1,200 acre Koduman plantation, and this is the Koduman plantation road. So this is the top of the tree like that.
ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര ഭൂമി
This is the rain gardening of
ജനജീവിത ഫലധാന്യ സമ്പന്ന
this is 1,200 hectare
ഇത് ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേരകേദാര
rubber tree. So roof gardening with long plastic sheet. So two type of tapping is done. One is the normal tapping. So normal tapping it is like from here, and the upward tapping is from here. So normal tapping. This is how the tapping is done. So in order to protect the rubber, full rain guarding is done. So rain guarding is done with protect the rubber tapping is done. So the top of the it is stitched one. So like that cutting is done over that rubber tarring paste is done, and protective blasting is given. So this is the rain guarding of rubber tree. So large area of rubber trees are done like this. Rain guarding work is done, so that in the rainy season also